Hello, I'm game developer from Bull Games. We are a Latvian game development company, studio, and we are working on a one-button platformer game, Bearslayer. So today I will show you how challenging it is to create levels for a one-button game. So it's actually even harder than for those that have more control. So this is our editor. It's We are using our own game engine, Ozel. You can find it on GitHub. And today I will show you some basic principles. So we usually start developing our games by placing the starting platforms. And actually objects are not by default aligned to grid. We have to hold down a modifier key to align them to grid. And yeah, so let's launch the game. So this is how it looks in the game. And for more challenge, let's add some more walls so that we can do a wall jumps. And yeah, so let's add the corner tile. Let's add a wall. Let's add another wall. And let's try it again. So now you can see we can do wall jumps, but what we have been in lots of exhibitions with this game, and what we have seen is that people do wall jumps and then they accidentally just fall off and run in opposite direction. And there is no way to change direction with one button. So what we do is we add a trigger. Let's add a trigger here at the entry, and it's impossible to avoid this trigger. We can even make it larger so that we can scale it twice, so that whenever you enter this zone, the spike will grow behind you, so that you cannot run back. So let's add the spike here, and if we run now, the spike will kill us. So what we do, we disable the spike at start and then trigger to activate it. So now when we start the game, it's not there, and when we run, it's activated, and now if we fall off, we just die there. So let's move it closer to the wall so that it's impossible to jump over it. Yeah, so okay, we died because the trigger is too close. So let's move it away. So now it triggers right behind us. So the next thing, we'll add wall there so that it's impossible to jump there. And yeah. Okay, so let's add some ceiling. Okay, let's add the basic tiles there. And what we'll have to do next in this level, we will have to, I don't know, jump on this piece, on this tile, and then just jump somewhere here. Okay, so let's try it. So we'll have to do it like so. We died. So we want the player to jump from the wall there on this tile. So let's try it again. Yeah, so it's possible to do it. Now we'll add some more challenge, and we'll actually make this tile disappearing. So for that we have a special kind of trigger, which is a timer trigger. So we'll have two timer triggers. So one will hide the tile and the other one will show it. So this will be the activator, and this timer will be the deactivator. So this will deactivate it. And now for the parameters, so the first one will delay for 1 second and hide the tile every 2 seconds. The next one, will have no delay and so the first one will show it every 2 seconds, the second one will hide it every 2 seconds. So let's see how it works in action. So as you can see, it's showing and disappearing. Yeah, so we actually accidentally jumped on it. Yeah. So the next thing we'll add is maybe we'll add some enemy here. So we'll add some witch. For now it will not be active so that we can jump on it. So let's delete these tiles or move them up. Yeah. So normally you will not be able to get there, but you can get there by bouncing off the enemy. Let's see how it works. Okay, I died. Let's try again. Okay, it's actually pretty hard. And yes, we did. And so the next thing we could do is create tiles that will destroy whenever we touch them. And these tiles are the ice. So let's align them to grid. Okay. And let's make them. And as you can see, okay. As you can see, it starts to disappear behind us. But we will add a new challenge. So at the end of this platform, we will have a trigger, but the trigger that can be manually switched by the player. So let's add the trigger here, and so let's add a finish point somewhere so that we can actually exit the level. So the finish point will be here. And Let me search for some kind of finish point. Okay, let's add the finish point of the first level. So this is the finish point. We'll mark the finish point here. So now it's impossible for us to get here. So what we want to do is pull the lever, go back here, and then show the platform will appear here. So let's create a platform here and make it disabled at start, so there will be no platform. And again, make the lever make appear. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so I lost. As you can see, I died there because there is no platform there. Now I have to be careful. I cannot destroy all of the tiles because I will have to run back. So I lost. I destroyed too many tiles. Okay. Actually, this level is challenging even for me. Okay, we were pretty careful this time. And I lost. But as you can see, the platform appeared there. Okay, I lost again. I guess this will be too hard level for the new players of the game. So the first thing, let's make it easier by adding some more platforms here. So another thing we want to do is not allow player to stay in one place here for a long time. So let's add a timer. Another timer trigger, and so this trigger will also, so the timer will not be active at start, but this trigger will activate it. And whenever this timer is active, it will wait for, I don't know, like 5 seconds, and it will make some spikes appear. So the first spike will be down there, so that you cannot fall down there, and some spikes, let's rotate it 90 degrees, one spike here, and another spike. So another spike there. And all of those spikes will be inactive at start, but if you are too slow, the timer will make them appear, and basically you are dead. Well, as if the level was not hard enough. So let's wait here. And the spikes appeared. Maybe 5 seconds is too much. And let's make this trigger bigger. So let's try it again. Okay, so it doesn't work the way I wanted. I don't know why the delay is not working. Well, okay, you get the point. It should make the spikes appear after a delay. This game is really under production, so it has lots of bugs, but you get the point. So yeah, and we finished the level. So I will go back to fixing the bugs, but I hope you get the idea. And next time I will show you how we add shooters that actually shoot at player. I will show you more enemies. I will show you more kinds of spikes, and how we decorate the levels, how we add parallax, how we add special kinds of objects and secrets to the level, and jump pads where you can jump higher from them. So see you next time, and thanks for watching.